I was thirsty. Hey guys, it is your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another fancy schmancy video. So today's video, I decided to do a DIY, and the DIY that I'm going to be doing is making hair gel out of flax seeds. So I saw a video recently on YouTube of this girl who made hair gel out of flax seeds. And, you know, it's like an alternative to the Eco Styler gel, which a lot of people are upset of it going out of business, or I don't know what's happening with the Eco Styler gel. But I decided to try this, and because I do use Eco Styler gel, and I use Gorilla Snot too. But I'm basically going to make the gel out of the flax seeds and just do this same hairstyle. It looked a lot better this morning when I did it, but I was at work all day and everything, so it looks disgusting. But yeah, so we're gonna go downstairs and boil up some flax seeds, and we'll be right back over here. So this right here is what the flax seeds look like. They're really, really tiny seed-like things, and you're just going to put them in a pot. I did about 2.5 cups of flax seeds and about 2, maybe 3 cups of water, and you put them in the pot, and you're going to stir it and bring it to a boil. Once you start to see it starting to boil, this is when you're going to want to start to mix it even more, just to make sure that it doesn't stick to the sides or the bottom of the pan. And as you can see, it is starting to clump up, which is what you want. So after a while, it should start to get a little more thicker, and basically at this point, it can be whatever consistency that you want. But once it starts to boil over, you're going to want to take it off of the stove and start to strain your flaxseed gel. For this process, you're going to need a bowl of your desire and a strainer, and you're going to want to mix your flaxseed gel just a little bit more, just to make sure that it's the consistency that you want, and start to pour it into your strainer. I didn't have any pantyhose or anything to strain it, so I decided to use this strainer, but as you can see, it works just as fine. After you're done straining it, you put in as much as you can get out of it, or as much as you want, and then you start to put it in your hair afterwards. Okay guys, I am back, and this is all I could scrape out from my poor straining skills. The video I saw, she used pantyhose or like stockings or something, but I completely forgot about that, so I just used a very thin strainer that I had, and this is, you know, the best I got. There's still some like parts of the flax seeds in there, but I'm gonna try my best to just get them out. But this is the consistency. It's like kind of like slime consistency, so very sticky. But I'm just going to do this same hairstyle that I have in right now, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, so I'm just going to be using the normal stuff that I use, which is my spray bottle, my soft brush, and my edge brush. And instead of using my Gorilla Snot and Eco Styler gel, I'm going to just be using the flaxseed gel. Now it is still a little bit warm, so I'm gonna let that cool down a little bit. Jiggly jiggly. And yeah, so I have a mirror right here, so if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at the mirror so I can do my hair. So let's just get on with the hair. This right here is the finished product of using the flaxseed gel to do my hair. I really enjoyed doing this DIY project. I really liked it. It really works. Like, my gel does not lay my edges like this, but it works really, really well, and it made my hair instantly look longer and curlier than normally using my Gorilla Snot. I don't think this is something that I would use on a daily basis, only because it's really, really, really sticky and messy unless I just didn't do it right. But if you guys want to try doing this project, I got the bottle of flaxseed gel from my local Walmart for only $5. I don't know if they have smaller bottles. It's a really cool project to try, and I really think you guys would like it. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what you thought of the video. And I'll see you guys in my next video.